He's escorting us to our site now. There's mini golf.
Wanna try?
Look, these kids rode their bikes over there. You can make some friends. They got tent camping here too. Got that secret service. All right, got the water hooked up, sewer hooked up, power hooked up. Time to level this bad boy out, get the slides out, and we're camping. We are at Desert Hot Springs KOA, and it is awesome here. We got a big spot. Site 44 is rocking. It's like a double wide site. It's got that fire pit, the propane fire pit set up. We got all this space for the kids to run over here. We got no neighbors right now, so that's pretty awesome. They got a mini golf, pool. Views tonight are supposed to be beautiful. That moon, I don't know if you can see the moon. The moon is big tonight. We got the mountains in the background over there. What are you doing?
Caesar, this is not beautiful without touching the soft sand.
Okay. It's not beautiful without touching.
No, Daddy, can you open it? It's just not beautiful without touching the sand. Set the fire on! Set the fire on!
Hey, don't waste it all. Don't waste it all. Turn it off. Okay, save it. Oh. Wow, look at all those bubbles.
Mama. I'm getting small.
I don't think bubbles are gonna put out the fire. It looks cool. Almost looks like a flamethrower. Ooh, the moon is popping. It looks so much smaller on camera, but it's really big. I can't wait to see some stars soon, once it gets really dark. We got the fire going. We just ate some fast food. We got the TV on. The boys are doing some treasure hunting. They found this monster rock buried in the sand. And it's a beautiful night.
Yo, Daddy.
And the stars are starting to peek through. Not doing what? Not doing what? Don't go inside. Don't go inside. Get over here. Stay over here. Matthew, don't bump your head on that. Stay over here. Okay, in or out? In or out? In or out? Okay, then close the door. You're leaving the door open so the bugs can fly right in.
No, I'm stalling.
Close the door. RV camp set up at night. Look at our RV camp set up at night, guys.
Yeah.
We got the fire, the TV, the lights. Well, I did it, guys. I convinced the family to go have mini golf at 10 p.m. Here we go. Here we go. Adventure time. See? We got to go number one. What did she say, Carlo? All right. Okay, Caesar goes first. Mac, put the ball down. Put the ball back down. Put it back where it was. Come hit it, Mac. Mac, only once. Only once. Get away from it. That was 2 times. So Mac loses a turn.
My turn.
Caesar's turn. I know. That's the next one. Okay, Carlo almost made it. Oh, Caesar's in. Leave it. Leave it.
For the others.
Okay, Carlo, Mac, your turn.
You're gonna hurt somebody.
You know you're supposed to move on.
Mac.
You got it, Mac. You got it.
Sweeping. Sweeping. All right. Woo. We just got back from mini golf. That was super fun. What was your favorite part of today?
Golfing.
Golfing.
Good. Golfing.
Golfing?
It is the park.
Definitely an adventure-filled day for arriving late. What was your favorite part today, Mama?
Right now, getting ready for sleep.
Mama loves her bed. All right. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Okay, bye. Just kidding. Can't forget Iron Man. There's dogs right there. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. See? Keep it tight.
Oh, God. It's only for dogs, guys.
Yeah, big old dog park.
Close the door, close the door, close the door. Yeah. Remember?
Okay, get your hand in the bag.
Like that?
Yeah, like that, like a glove. And then just grab it all. Squish it. Yeah. Okay. All the pieces. Okay, then pull it out. Yeah, over.
Right,
Oh wait, no, that's not it. That's all of it. Dang, you did it perfect. Now go put it in the trash. First chore of the day done.
I just want to go in the RV and eat.
Ready, set, go. Well, it's about 7:30 in the morning, and we already got the ACs cranking. It is hot outside. It's supposed to be around 100 degrees today. So we'll see how that works out in our RV. Okay.
I don't want to know.
Okay, just leave it off. Okay, for now. Okay, hold on. Let me turn this TV off. Where's the remote? Oh, these cool rental bikes they have. Open the door. Be quiet. Oh, what's the... Is there a code or something? I don't even see a pad. Oh, it's just this. Go, open it. It's just so kids don't run in there. We already had 2 timeouts. Time to go swimming. Hopefully we can have some fun. And they're getting rude.
Oh, Matthew.
Careful, Matt. All right, good. 3 thumbs up. Pool time was a success, guys. I like it. You guys actually behaved really well, too. We just got to do more fun stuff, huh, Carlo?
I keep watching until we do all the fun stuff, and then like and subscribe at the end of the video.
Look at the windmills in the background. They're way out there. Look at that beautiful view. Crazy view. All right, time for some lunch, guys. At La Casita Azul.
That's what you were looking at?
The stuff on the piñata?
Food's looking good, man. And they brought the kids' plates out first. I like it.
No.
No, we're not drawing. We're eating.
I mean, it's hot.
Yeah, but still.
You have arrived.
There's a lot.
Who's ready to check out the Hall of Horrors at Joshua Tree? I am.
Me too.
Carlo too. Hall of Horrors. I wonder if it's gonna be super duper looper duper looper duper scary.
Okay.
We'll see. Oh, that's awesome. Very cool. And we're back from our Joshua Tree adventure. It should be open. Just push the button. It should be open. Just push the button. Go inside, Binks. Binks, go inside. Go in your house. Go in your house. You all right? Oh!
Nope. Here we go. I need to keep hitting.
Move, Mac.
Mac,
Get off the green.
Get
Leave
off
the
the
ball.
green.
Get off the green.
What the
Okay,
heck?
go get it. Put it back on the green. I'm gonna make it first try.
Here I come. I had to restart. Sorry.
Yeah. 2. Daddy got a 2.
Here. Yeah.
This thing's so crooked. Get off the green, Mac. Caesar, turn your stick around. There you go. Mac, don't touch it. Don't touch it anymore.
I gotta restart.
Oh.
My turn.
Move, back up. Oh, it's going all the way.
Psych! I didn't make it.
Big miss.
No, I went right over it. Oh yeah. I go to the next one.
Move. Caesar, stop screaming, please. All right, we're gonna finish up our very unorthodox game of mini golf here. Quick little stop at the playground. Anchor got bored of the mini golf. Caesar's still back there. I don't know if you can see him. He's right there, but we're just gonna hang out a little bit until it's time to go to the pool. About 20 more minutes. So my original thought is that this is maybe like a dog kennel for when you bring your kids to the playground. But I jokingly told the boys that this is kid jail.
Look,
where
they have a lock.
if you misbehave, you go into this jail and you have to wait. And Daddy's gonna hold it closed. But you guys are in jail now. How does it feel? How does it feel being in jail?
That.
Oh, Caesar broke out of jail. Mackers broke out of jail. Oh boy. I win. Okay, hold on. Let me get it so you can hit it. Is that your school too?
Yeah. Can I try? I want to play, Daddy.
Hit it. You're gonna have to jump though, because Caesar's hitting it high.
I win.
So that was the shot I just had on the horseshoe. Right now I'm gonna try again. Try and hit this bad boy. Oh, that's far. Oh, that's money right there. Got it. Pool round 2, guys. Ready, Carlo?
Yeah.
Fun pool night. Just overall a fun time, a fun weekend. Our last morning here at the campground, taking Binks for a walk and wrap it up. And we got a lot of fun adventures coming up soon. We're gonna have a 15-day road trip through California, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas coming up. So if that might be of interest to you, be sure to smash that subscribe button, because there's gonna be tons of videos coming out for that trip. And we're really excited for it coming up here soon. So we'll check in with you guys soon and catch you on the next one. All right, that's a wrap. Another successful RV trip. We're out of here.